hold the light right there. Like a tree.
Just don't mind.
And you carefully remove this.
I have no idea
you don't
what you
want
want
this.
it, but just use
You
your
don't
hand
want this.
finger.
You don't want this to fall down. You see, so you want to catch that. Let
Yeah.
it back lightly, very, very gently. You're stuck.
You're gonna have to grab some a less wrench there. Here. I knew I was gonna set the belt on there.
A little editing to do.
No, we don't.
That's why everybody's videos are so jacked.
Kids on fire. Okay, 12 millimeter. One down here.
Is that other flashlight?
Looks like 3 of them total. So 2 at the bottom, 1 at the top.
2, 3. Okay, there you go.
Put it down. Thermostat's in the trunk.
Can't crack the other one loose.
Strange. This car, it really seems like there's a lot of weather and salt and stuff where this thing comes from.
Amazing, isn't it? Now crack the top one loose. But I want you to crack them all loose.
Can you get me an extension? Can you give me an extension?
Sure.
This thing?
Yeah, the reason I wanted you to crack them all loose before you started taking them out is so that one won't interfere with the other and get some flex and stuff and things moving around and make it more difficult. Can you just take it with it?
Don't know.
Oh.
Gotta get it. Trying to get it up.
Okay, now we got some room to get in there, that baby. So now we're going to need a bucket.
This is what we're trying to remove right here. Let's see about it.
How much
Right here, this guy right here is what we're removing. There's a petcock down in there, and we are going to unscrew it. It's a Phillips head, but it looks to me like the easiest way to remove that's going to be with a flat head, so that's what we're going to remove. And then the fluid will come out of there, and we'll catch it in the bucket that you see out of the corner of the video here, this orange bucket. So that's on the left-hand side of the driver's side of the car. Yeah, let's see about that one right there.
I got it.
Okay. This one. Definitely roll on it.
Are you sure we get rid of the sausage?
Yeah.
Wait.
One side.
One side. No.
I hope there's a lot more than that in there.
Hold on. Oh, okay.
It's just like it'll dribble
Hold on.
and then it.
Okay, there we go.
Oh, it's neck kink.
The camera at your feet.
Do you want me to get out of your way? You want to get down?
Just don't knock it over.
Oh, yeah. It's like when you wake up in the middle of the night.
Yeah.
I'm like, come on. Sleep on the toilet.
Whoa! Son of a. Why'd you blow on it? Do it again. I'm not ready for it. Son of a. That is just like middle of the night.
For that scene from Me, Myself, and Irene.
Yeah. There's not much in the bottom of the bucket, dude. I'm surprised.
That's interesting. I think the radiator's full of crap, and that's causing the other side of it not to drain off very fast. Before it was low. In all honesty, I didn't see anything in the reservoir when I opened the lid, but hey, you know, I don't know how much it drained off.
You blow on the top again?
Just leave that open and let's
Oh, it's just
continue
undrained.
on.
There's nothing to drain out, dude.
Just leave it the way it is, and let's do this upper hose.
There's stuff I can put in the radiator to clean it out.
No, we'll have
No?
you put stuff in there.
Hey, we'll replace the radiator.
I think you're low.
Where are those red? Oh, here we go. Right. Remove the electrical thing there.
Tree is ready.
That is a possibility. You might want to disconnect that. Might help you, but these clamps are designed. You see this little nipple here?
Yeah.
Well, that will go inside that hole and it'll slip down inside of there.
Stay open.
And then that'll keep it open. Yeah. So if you try to manipulate that. You're close.
Yep, it was close. No cigar though.
And you push that nipple down, so maybe with get a long screwdriver.
Yep.
Once you get it in there, and then kind of push down on that, and
Okay.
it will go into the slot as you release.
There's a good shot over here if you want.
Bring it over where you're going to work.
I can't. It's just slipping.
You'll have to grab that one side. Here.
Thank you.
Here comes someone's going to make us need the bathroom.
Be a nice set of.
Oh, I see. It's supposed to go in and then it pop down.
Yep, but it doesn't want to pop down.
It's got to go up a little bit first. Yeah. Oh, it's like hair shy.
Oh, bad news. Bent a little too much. And very easily when it did. Shit. Well, too bad. Don't get to use that part no more. Anyway, that's the way it would have worked. And this is the sucky way because I actually have another tool that does this and I don't have it with me.
Vice grip?
No, it's a telescopic cable tool. You got the handle in one hand and then the jaws in the other and wrench it down in it. I need to look here.
Oh, round 2.
I don't know. I think we gotta take that switch out of there. So it's just a plug. Yeah, you don't want to get your fingers in there either. That might be enough. My back's going out. Let me see if you can peel a little bit of that back and we'll spray some penetrating on it while up in there and then we can twist it off.
Can you hold that?
Oh, there's a hammer over here. After all that.
Once you get that up inserted up in underneath there a little bit, then you can hit some penetrating oil in there and it'll follow up in. There you go. Let's wiggle that around.
Can you squeeze that one? Get that one.
Yeah, grab. So the answer to the question is you were low on coolant. This should hold close to a gallon. Well, we'll have to know what you got out of there. Maybe we're all right. I don't know. Let's twist this. Now that we got some lubricant under part of it, when we twist it, it'll find its way around. There we go. We'll just set that off to the side there. Okay, somebody else's turn. Undo the 3 bolts and we're home free. Got them all loose?
Got them all loose.
Pull it off. Let's see what was the matter with it. It's not an overheating problem. It was it won't meet threshold.
You're saying it's
Indicating
stuck
that it was
open.
open. Yeah. And he said it's straightened out too, so maybe fix this off.
Just
Anyway.
in time. Alright, let's come down here.
Maybe.
It's been the check engine light's been on for a couple of years.
That's a rubber gasket type,
Yep.
so we need to.
I can see it. You see, make sure it goes back in proper.
It's always a good idea to
Oh.
wipe the surface down before you put it on.
Hold on though. The rubber gasket came out. It's still in there.
No.
Yeah. No. See, rubber gasket. No
Yeah,
rubber
yeah,
gasket.
yeah,
Rubber
yeah,
gasket.
yeah.
Like that?
I have no idea. I can't see anything.
How about now?
I don't know.
How about now? Can
Put
you
the
see?
damn part on.
Okay.
Like put the 2 bolts on the top. Down on the bottom. I don't know. I don't think it can be upside down. The blade going the other way.
Well, these have shafts. I think it goes into the motor. It wouldn't fit. Wouldn't mount it. That was too thick. Let's get the flashlight. Check underneath. You get some good lighting there? Is that good? Here, hold this.
What do we got left?
Here, pause it. Pause that. Pause that. Some fluids in it still, and it's 11 o'clock at night with the virus shut down, and everybody has lost their mind and closed all the stores early.
Okay, so we just got to put coolant in it.
Got to put coolant in it. Got to put brake fluid in it, and we can fire this bad boy up.
Okay, good, great.
Yep, that's
right.
about it. That's all that's left.
All right, good.
We'll do that tomorrow when everything opens back up at weird hours.
Okay.
Okay, Walmart used to stay open till midnight. No, till 24 hours a day. Now they shut it like 8:30.
Yeah.
It's nuts.
What a world. Okay, guys.
Okay, peace.
Thanks for watching.